Ijaw Youths Council for Rivers State don once again dey call on the federal government to invest more for the Niger Delta region, especially the Ijaw Nation, and say dem go sustain the fight for resource control wey their heroes fight for the region many years ago. The group tok this one as dem carry waka enter street across Ijaw communities and the Rivers State capital for Port Harcourt to mark the 55th anniversary of the death of Isaac Adakaboro. Dem tok say the region dey underdeveloped, though e still remain the goods wey dey lay golden eggs. The group come beg federal government say make them create modular refineries for the region to create employment and say make federal government take their demands seriously. The youth still talk say dem want more development and make federal government allow them to control their resources and say dem go dey pay tax to the federal government.
Our environment is still degrading day by day. If you take a drive on our seaways, you find out that our communities has not gained development. Some people must ask these authorities where our 30% oil derivation is going to. Is it that they are using it to build the Ijaw community, the oil producer community, or they are diverting it to their personal use? Our educational system is still poor. Our children cannot gain access to free education. Our parents cannot even gain access to free medical health care. Our roads are poor. Look at the East-West road that connects mostly the Ijaw-speaking states and across board.
What we need is resource control. We should, use our God-given resources the way we want it. And if possible, as a federating part of the country called Nigeria, pay relevant and agreeable taxes to the federal coffers.
When we are in one accord, we have one purpose, we have one direction, one focus. That is the only time we can make a difference. Boro was not a cultist. Boro was not a conqueror. Boro left everything in this world for you and I.
The chairman of the Ijaw Youth Council Eastern Zone, Ibim Ibiware, also call on the federal government to show the public money wey dem dey receive from gas.
They should also look at the issue of the modular refinery so that our teaming youth will be meaningfully engaged, so that they can also pay tax to the federal government, because there is hunger in the land and we are the goods that bears the golden egg. Nobody in this region talks about gas. Everybody is talking about crude oil. The monies that are coming out from gas, nobody even accounts for it. Years back, we talked about bailout fund, and the monies came out from the gas that we export every day. But today, the ordinary Nigerians only hear about crude oil, bunkering activities, and the popular name fire. But the gas money revenues generated from gas is alien to us.
For many years, the Ijaw Youth Council and other stakeholders don dey do talk with federal government on top resource control for the Niger Delta region alleged marginalization, and dem talk say dem no go give up at all. From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.